Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's break of one box of 2012 Upper Deck SP Authentic Football. Got a sticker on there. We're looking for 3 autographs per box and some different nice inserts. There's 24 packs in a box and 5 cards in a pack. So good luck to everyone. Let's see who we get. Empty box. All cards will ship. They should go out within the next 2 days. And let's see who we get. Got Derek Moy, Jaron Hosley, Keyshawn Martin, Dontari Poe, and Jared Crick. They're in their players are in their college uniforms. Of course, they'll go to the team, the NFL team that they are playing on this year. David Mulk, Pat Edwards, Filler, Bobby Wagner, Byron Bird, and Stephon Gilmore. Mike Martin, Jared Boykin, and a Bernard Pierce insert. It is the Canvas collection. And a filler, Darius Green, and Mark Tyler. Rodney Stewart, Thomas Mayo, James Michael Johnson, filler, Travis Benjamin, and Ronnie Hillman. Kendall Wright, Stephon Green, and our first hit is a Brandon Weeden. Rookie auto patch. And it is numbered 364 of 885. And that's autographed on card. Autographed patch. Very nice hit. Brandon Weeden. And we have Andre Branch and Alfred Morris. T.J. Graham, Jeff Fuller, filler, Kirk Cousins, Evan Rodriguez, and Lavonte David. Matt Khalil, Brandon Whedon, and a canvas collection, Michael Kendricks, no number. And a filler, Kevin Koger, and an Aaron Corp. Dan Heron, Joe Adams, Robert Griffin III, RG3, base rookie, Bobby Rainey, and Vontaze Perfect. Rashard Matthews, Shea McClellan, and a Dontari Poe. Insert. Filler, and a Darius Hanks, and a Jamel Fleming. Cordy Glenn, Greg Childs, Marquise Mays, filler, Michael Kendricks, Tyler Hansen. Buzz Whitaker, Jeremy Ebert, and a canvas collection, Jaron Hosley. A filler, Case Keenum, and Amini Salatalu. LaMichael James, Junior Hemingway, filler, Alameda Tamu, Jordan Jefferson, and Isaiah Pede, or Ped. Donta Hightower, Rhett Ellison, Ty Detmer, insert. Filler, Devin Wiley, and a Jerry Franklin. Antoine Bailey, David DeCastro, Kendall Reyes, A.J. Jenkins, and Orson Charles. Dominique Davis, Riley Reef, Canvas Collection, Chandler Harnish, a filler, Whitney Merciless, and Mike Wiley. Alfonso Denard, Tyler Shoemaker, filler. Lavoisier Tune, Jarrett Lee, and a Russell Wilson. Jarrell Robinson, Ronell Lewis, filler. Harrison Smith, Eric Page, and Alshon Jeffrey. Courtney Upshaw, Tim Benford, Steve Young, old school. '49ers. Dwayne Allen and Chandler Harnish. Lennon Creer, Quentin Copels, and an Andre Ware insert. And a filler. Jerron Kreiner and Nelson Rosario. Janoris Jenkins, Cliff Harris, and an on-card autograph, Dominique Davis. And no number, Dominique Davis. And a filler, and a Dan Persa, and a Jordan White. Brandon Thompson, Jonathan Martin, Stephon Gilmore, Canvas Collection, filler, Jermaine Hurst, and Michael Agnew. Nigel Brandon, Cordy Glenn, and a rookie, Kobe Fleener. Filler, Doug Martin, and Michael Kendricks. Greg Childs, Marquise Mays, and a Harrison Smith insert. Filler, Tyler Hansen, and Case Keenum. DeJohn McKnight, Mikanor Regis, and our third hit, Jordan White, Sign of the Times, on-card autograph. Not numbered. Jordan White. Filler. Luke Kuechly. And Justin Blackmon. Okay, that does it for our one box break of 2012 SP Authentic Football. I'll sort all these college guys by their NFL team, and then I'll get them all out to in the mail tomorrow for everyone. I want to thank everyone for stopping by, and just let me go over the hits, 3 hits one more time. We've got Jordan White, Sign of the Times, on-card autograph. We've got Dominique Davis, on-card autograph. And a Brandon Weeden patch autograph, numbered 364 of 885. Okay, thanks everyone for stopping by. Have yourself a good night, a good day tomorrow, and I will be on the air tomorrow night again at 8 o'clock with a 2011 Donruss Elite Extra Edition baseball. 6 autographs in that, and that may still be up on auction tonight at eBay. And you can find the link on our website, livepackbreaks.com, on the top link for eBay box breaks. That'll take you there if you're interested in bidding on that. That's a nice box of baseball, and there's 6 autographs in a box, so you might want to check that out. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. This is being recorded. It'll be on YouTube in about a half hour, and so take care. Thank you.